My name is Manny Martinez. I am the store manager in ShopRite Columbia Park. I grew up in El Salvador. My family owned a grocery store right out of our house. We sold anything that we can possibly sell from either from our trees in the backyard or from my grandmother's farm. Anything from lemons to avocados to bananas to coconuts. My mom's store was open from 1977 all the way until 1998. When I came to America, I started working for the Sarah family in the ShopRite of Fairlawn. They own and operate 22 stores in New York and New Jersey. Them being a family business and me coming from a family business, it just all made sense for me to work here. It was just gonna be a high school gig. It was gonna be, I was my junior in high school. I wanted to make some money just to go to prom. 5 years later, I became a store manager for the ShopRite in Columbia Park. It kind of makes sense, me running a store in North Bergen, and I can see the people actually picking the food that I used to eat when I was little, and it just takes me back in time as I see people picking up the same ingredients that my mom used to cook with. I do have people asking me if I have this like Salvadorian items, and I'm like, yeah, I do have Salvadorian and some Central American items. This is what my mom used to make. This is concentrated, but my mom used to make it from the actual fruit. So my mom used to make it, and we used to eat it before it sold. So my mom used to get mad because we used to eat it prior to her selling it, even though she was making it. I kind of tried to relate that to my son. So I kind of show him things like what I used to do when I was little and things that grandma used to do and to me, and that she still does for him. So him being a first generation American, it's wild. We have all the roots from malanga to batata. We have tamarind from Costa Rica. We have calabaza from Mexico. So you have a variety of produce that is used on a daily basis in a Spanish or an ethnic community. As a store manager working in a family-owned business, I feel that it's very important to treat your associates like family. So here at the store, we treat everybody like family. My culture is we're all together in this. We all got to take care of everything that we have to take care of, but at the same time providing the customer with the best quality items that we have and the best customer service that we have. At the end of the day, it is ShopRite, and it is owned by the Sarah Supermarkets. It's a core. It's a family. So we work for a family-owned business. So we have to keep it as a family in the store. De nuestra familia a la suya, los invito. Vengan. Nuestras puertas siempre están abiertas.